Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. If you're planning to visit Palm Beach, we'd highly recommend experiencing the hike to Barrenjoey Lighthouse. And yes, bring your toddlers along. You might be surprised at how much fun it can be for the whole family. At first, we thought it would be too challenging for Callie, so we left her behind during our hike. But we noticed other parents with toddlers making the journey. And honestly, from my experience, it's totally doable. Just remember, safety first. Last weekend, we made a last-minute decision to head to the beach. After days of rain, the sun finally came out and we couldn't resist the chance to spend the day outdoors. We chose Palm Beach. It's close to home and we've always said we'd come back after passing it on a previous trip. Callie absolutely loved playing in the sand. She still prefers it over the water for now, but we're curious at how she'll react when she starts enjoying the waves. It'll be such a joy to see her playing in the water one day. We also took a short hike up a small cliff, and the view was absolutely stunning. It's moments like these that remind us how beautiful life can be.
You're swimming! Daddy's running! Can you catch Daddy?
After a time at the beach, Daddy John and Ninong Emma decided to take on the 2.5-kilometer hike to Barrenjoey Lighthouse. The trail from the ground to the top was a bit challenging, but let me tell you, the view up there, worth every step. Standing at the top, overlooking the ocean and the coast, was such a rewarding experience. It's a reminder that sometimes the best views come at the hardest climbs. Palm Beach gave us so many beautiful memories, from Callie's sand adventures to the stunning hike views. If you're looking for a family-friendly adventure, this spot is a must-visit. True wealth isn't measured in money. It's found in the time to pursue what brings joy and fulfillment. Until next time, stay safe and happy exploring!